Okay, so, have you seen these little action figure style box toy designs floating around the internet lately? Of course you have. They're everywhere. Like, scroll once and boom, there's your best friend as an action figure, kind of everywhere. And let's be honest, you've probably already imagined yourself as one. Maybe twice. Maybe in a limited edition glow-in-the-dark version. No judgment. Now, if you're sitting there wondering, wait, how do I make one of those? And can I use my own photo? Then buckle up, because that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Today's video is the whole shebang. I'm talking design creation, prompt magic, and turning that whole thing into a video without spending a single cent. It's kind of like digital arts and crafts, but way cooler and with zero glitter cleanup. And here's the best part. Once you know how to do it, you can teach other people how to do it too. I'm in ChatGPT. So first of all, I've uploaded these two pictures already. This is a picture of my avatar for the channel, and this is my logo. And I've also added a prompt. So I gave it this very detailed prompt about the packaging, what it says on it, how the character is dressed, and all that. Once I added it, I clicked on go, and 4 or 5 minutes later, I got this. Which really turned out quite well. So here's she in her hoodie, jeans, and tennis shoes, with a water bottle, a leather backpack, and her trusty laptop. Here's the logo. The robot in the middle is a little weird, but overall it turned out great, so I was quite happy with it. I've made several of these, and I'll show you a few of them. So I loaded this picture again, gave it this prompt. It's a little bit different, and it's very long. When I was ready, I hit go. If you want to upload anything, you click right here. This is where you upload things. You can also view the tools, and you can click on create image if you want to. That's where you start at. You put your prompt here, and then click go. This time, it's an actual box, like a paper box, with the plastic in the front that you can see through. It doesn't show her whole body, but that was okay. It's a different style. I wish the background had been lighter, but for what it's worth, it turned out so cute. I'm pretty happy with it. All the text is really nice. Okay, let me show you a couple more. Here is another one. This time, I uploaded this picture. So here is my prompt, which I would have put in this area. Once I added the prompt and hit go, it gave me this. This is another version of the box with that AI chick. Okay, so now let's make a new one. Now I'm about to show you one of the favorite ones I've made so far. I uploaded 2 pictures that I had created in Leonardo of a World War II fighter pilot. These are ones that I made, and I put the prompt here. I used the same one from that AI chick earlier, but I modified it to fit a war hero. So I gave it that, and 5 minutes or so later, it gave me this. Isn't that amazing? He's got his goggles and a compass, there's his flare gun, and a parachute. It's in kind of a military-looking themed background, and the text is perfect, so I'm very, very happy with this. So, once you get to this point, download it, and let's keep going. So, now I'm going to try something different, and I want to show you the next step. I've already made the images. Now, let's try something else. Here comes the fun. Now I'm inside of Freepik. This is a video editor I use quite often. This is what I did. I dropped in my picture, added a prompt, and then I just chose how many seconds I wanted it to be, and then I hit create. Let me show you the final product. Is that not cool? I'm just amazed at how well it turned out. Here's another one I made. And I also used the other one of the girl in the box. Here she is waving. So that's what I've done so far. I've also made this one in Pixabay here. Basically, I took the image, uploaded it, and gave it this prompt, and that's what it created for me. On Pixabay, it's going to have a watermark on it because I'm using the free plan. So let's make one together. Alright, I'm back inside Pixabay. Now I'm going to upload my image. So I'll drop it right there. And here's the prompt I used. Next, I'll choose 5 seconds and keep everything else as is. Then, click Create. It's working on it now, and it's pretty fast. Alright, so there is my World War II pilot. So he gets out of his box and starts walking away. Is that not amazing? Wow. Now I'm going to download it. Notice it will have a watermark up there. Okay. So I hope this lesson gives you some ideas of exactly what is possible, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and learning how to do this. basically how to take something from just an idea, which is where I started, then adding an image, giving it a prompt in ChatGPT, have it create a new image for you, then taking that image and putting it in Pixverse or some other AI video generator to make a mini video. Overall, it doesn't really take that long. Probably you could make one in under 10 minutes. So have fun doing this, and let me know in the comments below, what kind of action figures did you make?
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.